Hi guys, so we're actually outside right now and nakita ko lang to dito sa area namin. So this is their Dubai Chewy Frap drink. See? Yan. It's from Genbos. I'll try for the drink. Ang sarap ng nalo.
Tingnan mo. Wag na.
Titikman no? Ang sarap niya, boo. Ano? This is 10 out of 10. Sarap, guys. So good. Burger. Uy! So good. And si Hobbs, bumili siya ng Big Mac. So yummy.
Sign na ito.
Sarap. Let's try the burger. Ang sarap. Sarap guys. I'm going to enjoy my food.